Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to clear browsing data in Google Chrome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of removing your browsing history, cookies, cached images, and more to keep your online activities private and your browser running smoothly. Whether you're looking to troubleshoot a slow browser or ensure your browsing habits remain confidential, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in and learn how to refresh your Chrome browser by clearing your browsing data. Thanks for watching. If you found this tech tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Got questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you.